Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's have a look at today's challenge problem, problem 118, Pascal's triangle. For this problem, we're going to share a solution based on simple observation in this video. So the solution is actually very short. Let's first look at the problem. So this problem asks us to return the Pascal's triangle given the number of rows. For example, in example 1, the number of rows is 5, so the output is a list consisting of 5 lists. So in example 2, the number of rows is 1, so it's a sort of a trivial example. So the constraints on this problem is that the number of rows is bounded above by 30. So I guess that if the number of rows is very large, then the output will be overwhelming. So with the statement went over, let's look at the method. So here our method is based on the following observations in item 2. So first observation is that for the ith row, it contains exactly I elements. And the key thing here is to get the I plus 1 row from ith row. So actually this is very simple. So we just need to consider 2 copies of the ith row and then make a shift and add them together. For example, when I equals 3, so the row is 1, 2, 1. Then we make a copy of it and make a shift. Then we add them together. We will get 1, 3, 3, 1. So this will be the 4th row. In other words, the I plus 1 row. So with that said, I guess let's write the shortcode, which is actually very straightforward. First, I'm going to set a base, which just a single element list. So we are going to build all the rows from this base, and also we need to initialize a result. Initially, it contains the base, and then we just need to iterate num rows minus 1 times. So for I, or for a dummy variable in range num rows minus 1, then we're going to build the next row. So in order to do that, so first we are going to base append 0. So we're going to build this one by adding a 0 in the tail, and then we are going to add head 0. It corresponding to add a 0 in front of the base. And next we are going to add this to a list component wise. So we're going to get the base is x plus y for x, y in zip of this 2 list, base append 0 and base add head 0. So this resets the state of base, and then we're going to append this new state to the final result. So that's all we need to do, and then we are going to return the result. So let's do a special case check for now. It passes the special case for number of rows equals to 5. Now let's look at a generic case check. Yeah, it passes the generic case. I guess that's about it for this problem. So thank you very much.